Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting to a Wi-Fi network on your Galaxy Tab. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. Once in Settings, tap on the Connection setting on the left side. Then tap on Wi-Fi on the right-hand side. Switch the toggle at the top on to turn on Wi-Fi if it's not already switched on. Now tap on the Wi-Fi network that you would like to connect to. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network and tap Connect. You are now connected to that Wi-Fi network. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.